Welcome in the kitchen of Madame Labrisky, where everything is sweet with that puree. I receive a lot of messages. How can we do that puree? Where can I find that puree? In the province of Quebec and the New Brunswick, you can buy that puree of Madame Labrisky at Souvise. But if you can buy it, you just have to do it. It's really, really, really simple. You need two ingredients: pitted date. Which one? They always ask me which one, Madame Labrisky, and the answer is the one on sale, of course. And the second ingredient is water. So, to do that puree, you will need 3 cups or approximately 500 grams of peanut. And you know, I always cook with a scale balance. Sorry, a cooked scale. So, you always can... ok, je vais le refaire. Ah, maman, c'est quoi donc? On va le refaire. A kitchen scale. Come on, girl. Ok. Prise 5. Welcome in the kitchen of Madame Labrisky. Oh, everything is cooked with date puree instead of refined sugar. Oh my God, it's so good! Yes, and it's good for you and the taste and for your body and your mind. So if you live in the province of Quebec, of New Brunswick, you can already buy my date puree at Souvise. But if you are not, I will show you how to date puree. It's really, really simple. You need 2 ingredients. You need water and pipe date. Which one? The one on sale at your preferred grocery. So it's really easy. You will also find that all my recipes are really, really, really easy. For do the date puree, you need 3 cups of date. If you like to cook with a kitchen scale, it means 3 cups, it's 500 grams. So you have 500 grams of date. And 410 milliliters or 1 cup and 2/3 cup of water. You put it together and then what? You put it on the microwave for 4 minutes. And after, you take your hand blender, your old hand blender, and for approximately 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. And then you have a tasteful date puree. For your date puree, you are looking for the same texture of Greek yogurt. And why it's wonderful to cook with date puree is because, of course, it's sweet. It's a natural sweet. But it's also rich in fiber. So you will eat your cookie, you will eat your bites and your bar. And you will say, oh my God, it's so good. And oh my God, there's no refined sugar on it. It's only date puree. It's rich in fiber, so you will have a lot of energy for a long time. So if you are looking for easy, tasty, gluten-free, dairy-free recipe, go on MadameLabrisky.com or you can also find a lot of recipes on Fuel Your Day. So I hope you will enjoy and you will fuel your day with the date puree. Bye-bye! Date puree!